Okay, so I have hearings all the time as a Social Security disability attorney. You guys know I do that all day. I've owned a law firm for 11 years, going on 12 years now. And I even had a person who used to have the job of this work with the law firm. And here's the thing: there's going to be a very large section of employees that work with the SSA, known as court reporters, who are not in a good situation right now. I want to explain. There was a news release by the Social Security Administration on the 13th yesterday. Let's go through it real quick. Social Security announces AI enhancements for hearing recordings, updates improve transcript accuracy, and provide ongoing savings. So, when you have a hearing, and normally there's like a person typing it up, they're switching a lot of this over to getting rid of that person, the clerk, to essentially a system where they're just going to have AI automatically pull down what you say, put it into a document, and save it. That's what's happening. Now, remember when you guys would say, AI is never going to replace my job? It's doing it right here. An entire massive group of people that used to work with the Social Security Administration as basically court reporters. I don't know how long they're going to actually still get to keep their jobs. And that's not good because a lot of them are my buddies. So Social Security Administration announced today they will finish the nationwide rollout of its hearing, recording, and transitions HART system this month. That's ironic because this is not going to come across as having a heart. This is going to come across as cruel to a lot of people. The HART system replaces an antiquated and bulky hardware system in each hearing office with a software-only solution that records and produces transcripts for each case at the hearing level to ensure due process. Yeah, they record them, and then they basically have somebody there to go ahead and write them up, transcribe them. But this is step one to basically getting rid of the division of court reporters. HART improves business efficiencies by providing more accurate, automated transcripts through generative artificial intelligence. Additionally, by fully utilizing HART, SSA will save about $5 million per year. Quote, by eliminating outdated systems and replacing them with innovative software that is proven to work, we are improving our services for Americans and saving millions each year, said Commissioner Lee Dudek, acting commissioner on Social Security. Quote, good government means finding ways to do better, and implementing the HART system nationwide is a clear demonstration of just that. Look, it is what it is. AI is going to replace a ton of jobs. Robots are going to replace a ton of jobs. It's coming. Who's going to then pay Social Security taxes? The robots are, right? No, because the billionaires are going to own the robots. They're going to rent them to us, okay? It's going to be amazing, and by that, I mean it's going to suck. HART provides better customer service by supporting all hearing formats, in person, telephone, and video, without relying on recording hardware. This leads to fewer hearing delays or cancellations due to equipment failure or technical issues. All right, resulting in more timely hearings for the public. Approximately 500,000 customers will benefit from this new software each year. These improvements enhance efficiency by allowing employees to dedicate more time to hearings and other priority workloads. SSA is expecting to complete the nationwide rollout by March 17th, 2025. To learn more about the hearings process, visit SSA's official hearings and appeals website or appeal a decision with Appeal a Decision Remade. All right, so what's happening? AI is going to replace a lot of the people that exist at the Social Security Administration, whether they are directly working for the SSA or they are basically additional individuals who work for a company that is tied as a partner with the SSA. Why is this a little scary? All right, let's assume that this AI system and their server always stays up. Imagine what happens when this AI server goes down. How many hearings aren't going to work? Will we have people who can then do the court reporting function? Because remember, court reporting, you got to be able to type really fast. And we don't necessarily know if the judges' clerks are going to be able to go ahead and keep up with that if they don't have training in that, which they're not going to keep training up with that if they have AI doing it. So there's some problems here. There are some issues here that I foresee being big, okay? I just wanted to make you aware that they're changing the way we do hearings. Each one of these changes is going to affect the potential outcome of your claim. Be aware that now they have AI doing these things. Now, remember, the big thing that would sometimes happen is if an ALJ would screw up and they would know their clerk, they would tell their clerk, make sure it has a saving issue, and then automatically, the file would get corrupted for the hearing testimony, and then magically it would get deleted. Then they would have to do another hearing where whatever the judge did that was offensive to their job would essentially, the evidence would disappear. This may fix this, or that just continues. It just continues because now they have this system, and whether they can save the file, edit the file, modify the file, etc., yada, yada. All right. So with that said, I will catch you all a little bit later. You have a wonderful, wonderful, amazing night. please remember to be kind to each other. And also, very, very, very important, please remember to just kind of prepare. I'm thinking July, I'm thinking June. Those are going to be very rough months for a lot of Social Security recipients across the spectrum, not just retired, not just disabled, not just widows, not just spouses, not just disabled little children, everybody. And it's not just the check, it's the Medicare, the Medicaid, everybody. Just prepare, okay? I've done other videos on how you can prepare, but please be smart about it, okay? All right, Attorney Walter Hnot. Please remember, if these videos help keep you up to date, to give it a like and subscribe. Also, head over to Google, type in Disability Resolution Law Firm or Disability Resolution Florida. Consider throwing some stars up there. You can throw whatever you want up there, but I always get excited when I see some happy stuff. I will catch you all a little bit later. Please remember, I go live on Mondays and Thursdays. This Thursday, I fell asleep at my desk, so ... I'm going to be going live right after this video to answer questions for free from the general public. I'm keeping this video short so that we can get right to that. Also, very important, if you have a tough situation and you're not sure what to do with it, and an attorney can't work with you on it, the bottom line is down below, you will essentially have down below, you will essentially have a mini contract for a 1-hour private session where you can get access to my brain, all the rules, laws, statutes, regulations, policies, etc., to help you go ahead and create something. There's a new one coming out with a dual price, which is basically one for an hour where I tell you what to do, and then one for an hour where I just write it and handle it and do it for you. I don't prefer having to write all your briefs and do all your stuff, yada, yada, and then give it to you to go ahead and, take care of it. I prefer I just tell you to do. So most people, I'm able to get that done. But again, it will be an option. I'll catch you a little bit later. You have a wonderful day. Attorney Walter Hnot, and we will go from there. I will see you at the next video shortly where I answer questions for free. Catch you soon. Attorney Walter Hnot, thank you. All right. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.